Alright, here is your assignment for Friday, April 3rd. Finishing up this quiz. The constructed response is question number 4. I'm going to score it out of 2. So 0 out of 2, 1 out of 2, or 2 out of 2. 2 out of 2 means you have evidence, you have a good explanation, and your text structures are correct. 1 out of 2 might mean your text structures are correct, or you didn't include enough evidence, or vice versa. You might have 1 text structure correct and 1 is wrong, or 0 would mean both are wrong. So your question is, now that you have read the 2 passages above, measuring weather and making a rain gauge, describe the overall text structure of both passages. Provide evidence from both texts to support your answer. Use 2 pieces of evidence to prove the text structure of each passage. Use vocabulary to prove the text structure. For example, if it were problem and solution, I would tell the problem using evidence and explain it. And I would tell the solution using evidence and explain it. So if you're doing this on Friday, I want you to go back and reread both passages. When you wrote map, you should have identified the text structure for both passages already. Then I want you to go in, and the way I would organize it is I would say passage 1, and I would restate an answer and tell what the text structure is. I would give 2 pieces of evidence. I might give a piece of evidence and explain it, why it's that text structure, and then a second piece and explain. Then I would do passage 2, tell me the text structure in a complete sentence. Then I would go back and give a piece of evidence and explain, a second piece of evidence and explain with a closing. The text structures for the passages are not the same. They each have a different text structure. Go back and check what text structure you identified each as being. Make sure you still agree with it when you're doing this constructed response, and then click submit after you've checked through all of your work.